we've had a few questions from teachers, and just as we want to continue to get better at using standards for success. I know it's a new tool for all of us this year, and we've had a couple questions. One thing here on observations. Many of you know how to open up your observations, but this right here indicates to us on our end that you haven't viewed it yet. Now you may have, say, clicked on the observation, and on your end you would see something here around this box that would say open up the evaluation, and you would click yes, and that actually notifies us that you have viewed your evaluation. The reason why it's so important for us to know that, we often will write comments and give you feedback in there. Like for instance, in this one I wrote, "Go Cubs Go," favorite team ever. And we want to make sure you're able to read them. Sometimes we ask for feedback, for ideas, for input. We may give suggestions. So we really want to make sure you're able to view it and that that's not a hindrance for you. So this is just a way to help with that tool. You can look through your rubric to see where things were marked. And then feel free to give us, you can even do a comment back to us right in this box. And it will get sent to us and notify us. But that way we know you viewed it and it's not just sitting there unopened. The other question we had was about creating artifacts. So I wanted to show you that quickly. This is really a tool for you to use as needed or as you would desire. This is sort of an area of something we may not see in a classroom setting. Could be something you're doing outside of the classroom. Could be something you're mentoring another teacher. You went on a field trip. You are tutoring a student. You're doing a really cool project that you took a picture of kids working. It could be a really cool handout that you've created and developed, and I want to show you how to do that. You would just simply go to Create New. We may also add things into this box as well, but you'll go to Create a New Artifact. You can give it any title you want. It really doesn't matter. You would give us some description of what it is that we're looking at. If it's something, maybe a picture, you might want to title it like Field Trip to Children's Museum, and you could then even write a description for the picture, but you wouldn't necessarily need to. You would just go to here to choose file. I'm going to pull here from today's newsletter. There was a nice pictures from some of our kids' newspaper. The next step here, you can do pictures, and you can also do PDFs. And I can show you as well, if you ever need to know how to turn a Word document into a PDF. You can really turn anything into a PDF, including an image on your computer on the internet. But you would simply upload and that would save it here. And you'll see it appears. And if you don't like it, or if you want to add more, you can continue to do that. When you're done, you would just save and send, and this would let us know. Now this part of the rubric we would then go into, we'd view your artifact, and we'd sort of take a look and see, and if it fits into one area of the rubric, we might click on that and send that back to you. But it's pretty simple, and it's an awesome tool to use. So you can see this Bethesda sandbox. Mr. Bethesda here has 2 artifacts uploaded by myself. And it would show whether it was you that uploaded it or me. So great tool to use. Let us know if you have any more questions.